Hello dear, good morning. Let's go into the lesson. So we need to start number structure and calculation lesson today. So we need to learn integer, decimal and fraction for operations, relationship between operations, factors and multiples. So first integers, uh, uh, give me some examples for integers, decimals and fractions dear. Yeah, integers are like 1, 100, 22, like that. For decimals we need to put points like 3.14, 102.2, and like this we need to put. And fractions, you know that we need to put 1/4. So this is numerator, 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. And for we can put positive or negative for integers, decimals and fractions. Um, um, So to calculate and solve the problems, we need something. What is that? Yeah, comparison symbols like equal symbol, not equal, greater than, uh, lesser than or equal, and greater than or equal, like that. Likewise, let's learn about this detail further. Um, Next, four operations. What are the four operations you learned before? Yeah, we know those. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Yeah, it's you all know. Um, so we use it for integers, positive integers, negative integers, decimals, simple fractions like improper, uh, improper, uh, and to use formal written methods and place value to understand. Let's look at those. So formal written methods. What is the purpose of formal written methods? Yeah, uh, it is to calculate accurately the larger numbers and fractions. Uh, if we need to calculate 2 plus 2, it is okay. We can find it as it is small number, and we can find it. But if we need to find uh, like larger numbers like this, we need to think and use formal written methods to calculate. So uh, we need to use the method. And for long multiplications, we need to